Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to upload photos on your Terabox app. And now let's dive right in. Now to upload the photos on Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app, as I've already opened the Terabox app on my phone. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface, in order to upload a photo, either you can tap on the photos option over here, and let's close this, and then tap on select and add photos over here. And with that being done, guys, you'll be able to choose the photos which you want to upload on your Terabox app. And after choosing the photos, tap on upload, and let's tap on no text. And by that way, guys, you will be able to upload photos on the Terabox app. Another way is go back and tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see you'll be able to either take a photo and upload from the camera by tapping on the bottom of the screen where it says take a photo and upload, or just tap on the photos. Similarly, you'll be able to upload photos on your Terabox, and by these ways, guys, you'll be able to upload photos on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.